What's up, Pyros? I got a pretty small stash update for you here. Decided to go down and get some more. Tried a different place and wound up being a good choice. But picked up lots of laughs, Winda. Don't buy much of Winda anymore. But I never had this cake and it seemed like it was pretty cool on video, so we gotta give it a shot. This has no name. As you can tell, it's a brown wrap. It's a 42 shot. Got a couple of those. Anybody could translate that, let me know. Blue Moon Rising, I'm assuming that's not the name, but it's another brown wrap. It's a 36 shot. Bad Piggies, just another sleeve cover, I'm assuming. 25 shot, brown wrap. Squad Commander, 16 shot. Another sleeve, I'm assuming. Brown wrap. And then picked up a Mother Load, 25 shot. Small update, but next time I go shopping again, I'll make another video. Be safe and take care, guys.